Hey there, my friends. Not a lot to show here. The update of my 1990 Mustang. I did the edging around for the black around the windows. I was debating on whether to do the black on the door panel stripes here. What do you call those? The bumper guards or whatever. You see that on the stock versions of the car. But I decided not to do it because I figured this is a repainted car anyways, being the magenta purple that it is. Magenta purple, pink, however you decide what color it is. So my masking is not that great, so I had to do a lot of edging around the top there. Not quite perfect, but it will be pretty soon. So this is almost ready for the clear coat. I'm going to do the Rust-Oleum 2X gloss coat on it. Let's put this back, and that should be ready in a couple of days. I got the interior almost done. Need to do a little touch-ups on the dashboard there. I don't like just keeping them plain gray like that, but I'll go in with some dry brush and hit all that up there on the dashboard. But other than that, it looks pretty good. The gray is an acrylic gray. The red is just Rust-Oleum spray red. Gloss black is hand painted, and the flat black on the floorboards is spray painted as well. So that looks okay. The engine, I think that's looking okay. I don't have any issues with that. So it's going to have the cover over it. And it should be alright with the air cleaner and whatnot. Underneath, just standard. Did the rear end red. I saw that on a real car. I thought it was kind of cool. Did the end of the pipes here orange. Probably should have did that red too, but didn't want too much red in one spot. So that looks okay. One problem I have here, my camera moves around. So the tires and the wheels go in. They got the little metal pegs that go in there. That's why the little holes there. I did not see the metal pegs in this box. I don't ever remember seeing them. So luckily, I still had the ones from the... ooh, the tire came off. There you go, that's spruce. The little metal pegs in there. Luckily, I still had the ones from the 1950 Oldsmobile that I did, because I ended up not using them because of the custom wheels I put on. So, fitting them into there. Put the wheels on that. So that'll go on like that, and boom, bada dinga. So later today, I'm going to put a clear coat on that, and shine gloss coat, I should say, and see how it looks. And then maybe tomorrow, if everything looks good, I'll put a second coat on it, and then go from there. So that's just a quick update on the Mustang drag car, the LX drag car. And yeah, hey, hope everybody's doing okay. Hope everybody's doing well. It's a nice summer so far. It's not even summer yet, but it's been feeling pretty good. Yeah, I guess I'll talk to y'all later, and I'll see you around.